How to easily remove channels on Slack. So to start, we'll have to open our Slack account. You can either open your account through your browser or by simply opening Slack application. So in here, once you're on your account, all you need to do is to go on the left part of the screen and then select the channel that you want to remove or delete. So as an example, I'm going to select this social channel, and then after that, we'll have to tap on the channel name, and then in here, we'll have to go on this settings option. After that, at the bottom, you will see this option, delete this channel. All we need to do is to tap on this one. And then after that, in here, before you completely delete the channel, keep in mind that once you delete the channel, it can't be undone. So what we need to do here is to tap on this box here, and then after that, tap on this delete channel option. So as you can see here, the channel is automatically removed or deleted. So that's how easy we can remove channels on Slack. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!